Right, I've just got my new toy. So it's literally just come now and I've opened it. It's my new 4K camera. I'm hoping it's going to be good enough for doing my videos. So let's unbox it. So this one I got from AliExpress. This has some good reviews on it. So I thought, well, I'll try it. There we go, so I've got to format the memory card before using. Instructions, nah. Remote control, cool. What's in here? The mic. So there's all my accessories for it. Let's get them all out. Excuse me. Oh, I've got to be looking forward to getting this for a long time. Ooh, it's tightly packed in there. Right, there's no else in there. Let's get rid. Right, let's have a look. Just hope to God it's as good as what all the reviews say it is. Let's get rid of that. Right, so at the minute all I've been using is my iPhone, which is what I'm filming this on now. Don't get me wrong, the iPhone is quite good, but there's only so much that I can do with my iPhone. I'm not going to be taking anything off there. What's all that? Oh, very nice. Alright, just telling me shit there. So that's basically just to get... Oh, that's just the memory card slot then. Okay. Battery pack. Right, I'm going to attempt to set it up. Only this USB can charge. What are you on about there? What USB where? Oh, so it's just giving me instructions on how to... So, which one? The top one. Only the USB charge at the top. Can charge it all, so only that one can charge. Oh, it's touch screen as well. I forgot all about that. Click to enter the settings. Yeah, it's just giving you a demonstration on how to do it. Enjoy. Right, I'll try. So then, in the pack, we've got, ooh, that feels quite cushiony, does that? A few scratches, oh no, they're not scratches, they're, alright, so it gives you the option, well, sorry, I'll just move that to there. So it's just saying unsupported file system, do you want to format? Well then, I'll format it because I don't know what's on it. Successfully formatted. Now then, why won't that focus in? Because really I've got it for doing my camera work here. Right, I'm going to have a little play with it, see what's going on with it, and then yeah, it should be alright. It should be good to go, I think. Fingers crossed. So yeah, let's see how I go. Right, I shall be back when I've had a play around with it.